rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's up, brother? On, man? I see you again.
Jump on in here.
Oh, yes, indeed, man.
Yes, sir.
Good seeing you again. You towed it up here, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't drive it?
No.
Yeah, it look too much driving.
Oh, yeah.
You're a shoe.
It wasn't that wild at what's called.
Oh, I know, yeah.
I mean, you probably been demoing all day at that time, right?
Oh, where at?
We was in Florida. It was hot.
Made it still?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they were hot, bro.
Man.
I couldn't get them cool.
Man, it was so hot out there you couldn't do it.
Yeah, dude, I took my big fan, like a big high horsepower, 1 horsepower fan, had on it for 2 hours. They
Still didn't do that.
No, I mean, they were still touching. I was like, yeah, they're fine now, you know.
Oh, that's all right. That's
No.
cool. When I first got in, I could feel it.
Oh, yeah, it was bad in Florida. I just got off the meter over there.
You ran the meter today?
Yeah. We did a 63.5 today. Best ever does a 65.5.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, this thing doing pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah.
For a truck's the worst standing wave possible, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I got the 6 of the STDN 18 on 6 of the Salt 8K strap.
How many amps right there?
Got 6 18s on 6 8Ks.
Okay, 6 8K, one pair.
Yeah. Well, we strapped them, so basically.
Okay. I see what you did. Yeah.
And they used to be a negative ratio 6th order, and then we made it a 4th order, and I had so much better 4th order.
Yeah. And it's windy.
Oh, yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. It has authority, you know what I mean?
And you know, most people like, you need a whole lot of space, and you made it work.
Yeah, it's a 1 to 2.85 ratio. You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.